Hi guys, for this video, review again tayo, no? Para sa mga aspiring electrical engineers na nagre-review dyan. So we have a sample problem from REE April 2024. So the current in a series circuit of R is equal to 10 ohms and inductor of 60 millihenry lags the applied voltage by 80 degrees. So what is the source of the frequency? What is the source frequency? So, looking at the given, so ang hinahanap ay frequency and then meron tayong given na inductor. So, kung matatandaan natin, ang formula na merong frequency at inductor ay yung inductive reactance, which is 2 pi FL. Okay? So, all we need to do is to find the inductive reactance from the given. Okay? So, matatandaan natin by Pythagorean theorem, tan theta is equal to y over x. Okay? So, yung y, nire-represent nito yung imaginary. And then, yung x, nire-represent nito yung real part. Which is, pagdating sa ating, sa mga, dito sa RL circuits, the imaginary part is the inductive reactance. So meaning tan theta is equal to XL over R. Okay? So R is the real part. Okay? So i-recall natin yung AC circuits. So R plus XL, yung R is the real part and then XL is the inductive reactance, which is the imaginary part. Okay? So meron na tayong theta. Binanggit din sa problem, yung 80 degrees. So, solve na natin. So, tan 80 is equal to XL over, ano daw yung R? 10. Okay, XL is equal to 10 times tan 80, which is 56.71 7.128. So, meron ka ng XL. So, makukuha na natin ngayon yung frequency. So, from the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So, makukuha natin yung F. So, F is equal to XL divided by 2 pi L. So, ano nga agad ng XL? 56.7128 divided by 2 pi, ano ang L natin? 60 millihenry. So, 60 times 10 to the negative 3. Kasi milli siya. Okay? So, ano ngayon ang frequency natin? So, lumalabas 150.43. 435. no? So, nakuha ko ay 150.435 or 150.4 hertz. So, option C. Okay? So, itong tan theta is equal to y over x sa Pythagorean theorem yan. O kaya yung loss ng complex number. Dun yan. Again, sana meron kayong natutunan for this video. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And God bless dyan sa good luck sa mga mag-take ng board exam this April 2025. Thank you.